You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn together how to pronounce this phrase from French. If you want to learn brand names of luxury and fashion, absolutely make sure to stay tuned to the channel because we got loads here. In French, haute meaning high, couture meaning sewing, or sewing. Haute couture is how it's said in French, haute couture, or in English, haute, the H is silent, remember, haute couture, haute couture. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.